Hello, friends, and happy holidays. I'm here to share with you some quick gift box ideas. Um, these gift boxes were actually made for our teachers. My kids are physically going to school this year, and it is Christmas time, so we decided to put something together for them. I hope that you enjoy it. These are great last minute gifts. I'm gonna start by showing you everything that I got and what I will be placing in the gift boxes. I hope that you enjoy the video, enjoy the music, sit back and relax, and let's get wrapping and get this together. Because I am pretty much going to show you each items that I am going to use pretty clearly here, I am not going to talk that much into this video. Now leave me a comment down below if you do prefer those videos where I talk and I explain and describe each items. Please let me know and I will do that next time. So here, just because I was showing you everything, and again, all the items that I am using were purchased at the dollar store, Dollarama, except for the mug, the socks, and the candle. Those were purchased at HomeSense, which is pretty much like a Home Goods here. Well, a Home Goods in the States. We can dress together. My son was already able to bring this gift box to his teacher, and she really loved the candle. I love the wording on it. I wish I had a great imagination to have made this myself, but I found this candle at HomeSense here in Canada. It's pretty much like a Home Goods, a TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So I'm happy that she was pleased with this. If you're one of my subscribers and you clicked on this video to watch and support me, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. If you're new to my channel and you happen to have found my video, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you will decide to stick around with me. My name is Lisa. I like to share organization, cleaning, decoration here and there, and I would love for you to be part of this journey with me on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching.
Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in a wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
With this plastic wrapper, you can actually use a hair dryer to shrink it, but I don't like the look of it, so I just kept it this way. Here I am tying the bow, and I am not great at tying bows, but this worked. I am going to cover this with the other bow, so you won't really be able to see my so not fancy bow. At first I had no idea how to use this bow thingy, but sometimes I think we think too hard, and it's like the explanation is right there. There's no instruction on the package on how to do this, but it is pretty easy. So I thank you all for watching. Happy holidays, stay safe and healthy. Until next time, bye.